to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me video. It's Saturday and I'm about to do my Saturday chore. If this is the first time that you guys have come to my channel, welcome. My name is Ria and this is Ria's World of Ideas, obviously. And I am a working mom with 2 girls and a husband. And so I divide my cleaning tasks at home in different days. So throughout the week, I have a chore every day that I do that takes me no more than 20 to 30 minutes to do. And then I have my big tasks that I do on the weekend, which is my bedroom and the bathroom. So today is Saturday, so I do my bedroom because during the week when I'm getting ready for work, getting my girls ready for school, it tends to get messy. And sometimes even though I plan out my outfits or I plan out things, I try on stuff and sometimes stuff don't fit or the weather changes because I live in Texas. So sometimes you have to switch up the outfits that you chose. And so a lot of times during the week, because I don't have time in the morning because I'm not a morning person, I tend to leave things on my bed. And whenever I'm doing like my makeup or anything and I use my makeup brushes, I don't like to put the ones that are dirty back into the same spot. So I tend to leave them out so I know the ones I've used. So you will see that my makeup area is messy. You'll see clothes out, and that's just reality. That's the reality of a working mom in my home. So Saturdays is my day to catch up on my bedroom and clean my bedroom and make sure that it's ready to start a new week. Of me to mess it up again probably, but still, Saturday is my day to clean it up. So I thought I would just bring out the camera and record it for you guys to give you guys a motivational cleaning video because you guys like these clean with me videos. They give you guys motivation, but they give me motivation because I don't like to clean. I know a lot of people, if you watch clean with me videos, they love to clean. I like a clean home, don't get me wrong, and I'm very OCD, but I am not one of those people that just enjoy cleaning. That's not my thing, but I enjoy a clean home. So I do, I break it up to where I can get stuff done. So yes, I'm going to record today the clean with me. So just come along with me as I tackle my room that's got messy this week with me getting ready for work. And it's going to be, I have 2 windows in my bedroom. So when I do show that part of the bedroom, hopefully the sun doesn't mess it up. But sometimes with my camera, because I don't have the automatic Canon cameras that everybody has, the automatic, the automatic focus. Sometimes the lighting tends to get dark because a lot of light comes through that window. So I'm going to try to angle it in a way where you guys can still see what I'm doing in that section, but I don't know until I watch back. So hopefully when I'm doing that part of my room with the windows, the sun doesn't blind you guys too much to where you can't see. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that because sometimes when I do that in this part of the bedroom and in my living room, sometimes those windows tend to just add too much light and you don't get a good shot. But hopefully I can get you guys a good shot. But anyways, let me start with this cleaning and give you guys some motivation today and get this stuff done today because I have a lot of other stuff to do today with the family that I rather enjoy than cleaning. I always like to start my cleaning by putting away all the dirty clothes that I have on the floor and also hanging up any clean clothes that I've left on my bed throughout the week. And this mask right here is actually a Halloween mask that my husband wore for Halloween that later on in this video you will see it pop up in the video because my oldest daughter thought it would be funny to put it on and to be all up in the camera. So I apologize now when you see this scary Halloween costume, Halloween mask pop up in the cleaning video later on. This cleaning mitt right here is actually found in the car section at Dollar Tree, but I love using it for my blinds because I can easily wipe down the blinds with this mat, and it is a microfiber cloth, so after you are cleaning you can easily just put it in the washer with your towels and clean it and reuse it multiple times. To clean my mirrors and windows, I just use a homemade cleaner that I make with water and vinegar. And sometimes I add a few essential oils in it, like peppermint or lemon, just to take away the vinegar smell.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on
to dust my mirror and my furniture, I love to use my used dryer sheets because they pick up the dust off furniture and mirrors very well, but it also saves me money because I'm reusing them.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So my daughter thought it would be funny to jump in the camera with this mask, so I apologize now for her being all up in the camera. I did not know she was doing that behind me, and once I found out what she was doing, I told her to get out the camera. So again, I apologize, guys.
around these walls, fighting to create a song.
To clean my furniture, I'm going to use my favorite cleaner, which is the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in the basil scent. I've told you guys this before. I love this scent. It makes any room smell so good, and the smell lingers for hours. I will put a link down below to where you can order these products and actually get a free 5-piece set if you use the link that I have down in the description box below.
Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn
When I go to change out the sheets and the pillowcases, I like to spray Febreze on my decorative pillows, and also when I take the pillowcases off of the pillows that we lay on, I love to spray Febreze on the actual pillows. I wash them every once in a while, but not every week like I clean the sheets. So the days that I don't wash them, I just spray Febreze on them to refresh them. I always use a dry microfiber cloth to clean my flat screens. And here's the mess I was telling you guys that I create throughout the week when I'm getting ready in the morning. Hashtag working mom life. To clean my makeup brushes, I just use baby shampoo, and until I'm ready to go by the sink and clean them, I just take 2 jars and I fill them up halfway with water and put a few drops of baby shampoo, and then I put my makeup brushes in them and let them sit in there and kind of get the gunk off until I'm ready to clean all of them.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing like the
Normally when I clean on Saturdays, I just dust around all the things that are sitting on my dresser, but this time I decided to take everything out and dust them individually because I haven't done a deep clean in this room in a while. So a lot of things that I've been dusting in this video, I usually don't do it every Saturday, but I wanted to do it today because I needed to do a more deep clean into my bedroom. When I'm ready to clean my makeup brushes, I just use the baby shampoo again, and I just basically put a little of the baby shampoo in the palm of my hand and kind of swirl the makeup brushes in my hand and rinse them a couple times to get all of the old makeup off, and then I just dry them on a old t-shirt. So that is it for my clean with me video, my bedroom clean with me video, guys. I hope I gave you guys some motivation to get up and clean something in your home, because I know cleaning is not for everybody. Like I said, I am not a person who loves cleaning, but I do love a clean home. So I hope this video motivated you guys to get something done in your house. Let me know down in the comments below if there's any room or even outside the home that you would like to see a clean with me video to give you guys some inspiration. I don't mind doing the clean with me videos for you guys. And if you have a certain room that you want to see to give you inspiration, just let me know and I'll make sure to do that video for you guys. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.